Frugal living tip number 1. Save for the future by making thoughtful and practical choices. In the world of minimalism, it's not just about cutting costs, it's about intentional living. Consider the long-term impact of your choices. Opt for quality over quantity, investing in items that endure. By prioritizing needs over wants, you not only save money but contribute to a clutter-free, purposeful lifestyle. Imagine a future where your financial decisions align with your values, fostering a sense of security and contentment. Frugal living tip number 2. Live below your means. It involves consciously spending less than you earn, allowing for savings and future investments. This frugal habit empowers you to break free from the cycle of consumerism, leading to a more intentional and stress-free existence. Picture a life where financial burdens are minimized, paving the way for a simpler, more fulfilling journey. Frugal living tip number 3. Plan your expenses diligently. By creating a well-thought-out budget, you gain control over your spending, ensuring every penny serves a purpose. This conscious approach not only prevents impulsive purchases, but also cultivates a sense of financial discipline. Visualize a life where each expense aligns with your values, fostering a mindful and purpose-driven existence. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am frugal" in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to participate in the future giveaways. Frugal living tip number 4. Pay off your debts promptly. In the realm of minimalism, financial freedom is a cornerstone. Addressing debts promptly not only relieves you of financial burdens, but also aligns with the ethos of living intentionally. Picture a life free from the weight of outstanding debts, where each payment brings you closer to true financial liberation. By adopting this frugal habit, you not only save on interest, but also pave the way for a future where your income is truly yours to use and invest as you see fit. Frugal living tip number 5. Invest your money early and consistently. It allows your money to work for you, aligning with the principles of intentional living. Visualize a future where your investments grow steadily, providing financial security and freedom. By adopting this frugal habit, you not only build a nest egg, but also cultivate a mindset that values long-term gains over short-term gratification, reinforcing the essence of minimalistic living. Frugal living tip number 6. Avoid unnecessary debts. By steering clear of loans and debts that don't contribute to your long-term well-being, you embrace financial minimalism. Picture a life where financial burdens are minimized, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. This frugal habit not only preserves your financial health, but also aligns with the principles of intentional living, fostering a sense of freedom from unnecessary encumbrances. Frugal living tip number 7. Buy quality products that last. By investing in quality products, you not only reduce the frequency of replacements, but also contribute to a clutter-free, purposeful existence. Visualize a life where possessions are carefully chosen for their durability, aligning with the principles of minimalism. This frugal habit not only saves money in the long run, but also fosters a mindset that values meaningful, lasting connections with the items you own. Frugal living tip number 8. Cook at home often. Cooking at home not only allows you to control the ingredients, but also aligns with the principles of intentional living. Picture a life where meals are not just a necessity, but a mindful activity, fostering a connection with the food you consume. By adopting this frugal habit, you not only save on dining out expenses, but also cultivate a sense of simplicity and purpose in your daily life. Frugal living tip number 9. Avoid impulsive purchases. By resisting the urge to make impulsive purchases, you not only save money, but also align with the principles of intentional living. Visualize a life where each acquisition serves a purpose, contributing to a clutter-free, purposeful existence. This frugal habit not only prevents buyer's remorse, but also fosters a mindset that values quality over quantity, reinforcing the essence of minimalistic living. Frugal living tip number 10. Value your time. By prioritizing activities that align with your goals and values, you not only enhance your overall well-being, but also foster a sense of purpose. Picture a life where time is spent intentionally, contributing to a more fulfilling and meaningful existence. This frugal habit goes beyond monetary savings, emphasizing the importance of mindful time management in the pursuit of a simplified life. Frugal living tip number 11. Be happy with what you have. It's about cultivating contentment with what you already possess. By embracing gratitude for your current possessions and achievements, you not only reduce the desire for excessive consumption, but also foster a mindset of fulfillment. Visualize a life where satisfaction comes from within, contributing to a simpler, more joyful existence. This frugal habit goes hand in hand with the principles of intentional living, emphasizing the value of appreciating the present moment. Congratulations, you've made it halfway through the video, and we're thrilled to have you here with us. So we have a special surprise for you, which is the Millionaire Mindset ebook, Your Key to Wealth Creation. Grab your free copy by clicking the link below. Frugal Living Tip number 12. Prioritize self-improvement. By investing time and resources in self-improvement, you not only enhance your skills, but also align with the principles of intentional living. Picture a life where continuous learning and development are integral parts of your journey, contributing to a more fulfilling and purpose-driven existence. This frugal habit emphasizes the long-term benefits of self-investment, reinforcing the essence of minimalistic living. Frugal Living Tip number 13. Appreciate the value of money. By appreciating the value of each dollar and being mindful of how you allocate your resources, you not only save money, but also foster a sense of financial consciousness. Visualize a life where every expenditure aligns with your values, contributing to a more intentional and meaningful existence. Frugal Living Tip number 14. Invest in businesses with competitive advantages. By choosing to invest in businesses with competitive advantages, you not only increase the likelihood of returns, but also align with the principles of intentional living. Picture a future where your investments support sustainable and resilient enterprises, contributing to a more purposeful and mindful financial portfolio. Frugal Living Tip number 15. Live a debt-free life. In the minimalist lifestyle, freedom from unnecessary burdens is paramount. By striving for a debt-free life, you not only reduce financial stress, but also align with the principles of intentional living. Visualize a life where income is truly yours to utilize and invest as you see fit, unencumbered by debt obligations. Frugal Living Tip number 16. Prioritize saving before spending. By prioritizing saving before spending, you not only build a financial safety net, but also align with the principles of intentional living. Picture a life where each dollar saved contributes to a more secure and purposeful future. This frugal habit goes beyond mere budgeting. It reinforces the mindset of prioritizing long-term financial goals over short-term desires, contributing to a more intentional and mindful approach to financial management. Frugal Living Tip number 17. Avoid credit card debt. By steering clear of credit card debt, you not only save on interest payments, but also align with the principles of intentional living. Visualize a life where each purchase is made with mindfulness and the weight of credit card debt is non-existent. This frugal habit not only preserves your financial well-being, but also fosters a mindset that values responsible and intentional spending, reinforcing the essence of minimalistic living. Frugal Living Tip number 18. Stick to your budget. By adhering to a budget, you not only gain control over your spending, but also align with the principles of intentional living. Picture a life where each expense is accounted for, contributing to a sense of financial discipline and purpose. This frugal habit ensures that your resources are allocated thoughtfully, reinforcing the essence of minimalistic living by prioritizing needs over wants and fostering financial mindfulness. Before I reveal the top 3 Warren Buffett's frugal living tips, let's share some knowledge. Drop your best frugal tips in the comments, and I am excited to connect with you and read your frugal living tips. Frugal Living Tip number 19. Invest in timeless classics. In the minimalist wardrobe, quality triumphs over quantity. By investing in timeless classics, you not only reduce the need for constant updates, but also align with the principles of intentional living. Visualize a wardrobe where each piece serves a purpose and stands the test of time, contributing to a clutter-free and purposeful existence. This not only saves money in the long run, but also fosters a mindset that values enduring style over fleeting trends, reinforcing the essence of minimalistic living. Frugal Living Tip number 20. Be patient in your frugal journey. By practicing patience in your frugal journey, you not only avoid the pitfalls of impulsive decisions, but also align with the principles of intentional living. Picture a life where each step towards frugality is taken thoughtfully, contributing to a sustainable and purposeful lifestyle. This not only ensures the longevity of your minimalist journey, but also reinforces the mindset of embracing progress over perfection, contributing to a more intentional and mindful existence. Frugal Living Tip number 21. Focus on your financial goals, not others. By focusing on your unique financial goals, you not only avoid unnecessary comparisons, but also align with the principles of intentional living. Visualize a life where your financial decisions reflect your values and aspirations, contributing to a more purposeful and mindful existence. This frugal habit not only ensures that your financial journey is aligned with your personal vision, but also reinforces the essence of minimalistic living by prioritizing authenticity and individual fulfillment. There you have it, 21 Warren Buffett's frugal living tips. Do you want to know the best and smartest frugal living tips from the Frugal Grandma? If yes, click on the playlist shown here. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.